Okay, it is here. Got here today. Been waiting for it since last Monday, I believe. Been waiting for it, eagerly anticipating. I've always wanted one of these. I've seen them on the ThinkPad subreddit. They have different versions. There's some with number pad on the right. Some have an actual touchpad on it. There's a few variations. They stopped making these a while ago. Now they only make those chiclet style ones, which I've never used. Can't be too bad. I have a T480. It's my TV computer hooked up to this. Watch movies, YouTube, mostly. Some sports, soccer, UFC. I gotta get a good setup here. I'm just using my phone for these videos. If anyone has any recommendations, I'd greatly appreciate it, so I don't have to do the research. Here it is. It's an open box, but it's brand new. Again, I always wanted one of these, but they're always like these freaking scalpers. Charge 200, 250. I've seen them as high as 300, over 300. Those bastards. I found this one on eBay. It was 125. I offered 100. And the seller accepted, so I had to jump on that shit. I finally have one. I got the non-touchpad one. All I need is that ThinkNub or the TrackPoint. I think it's officially ThinkNub or no, I think it's TrackPoint. You know, the red nipple. I love the red nipple. Wish all laptops had them. Man, if my Toughbook had one of these TrackPoints, it would be perfect. Once you go nipple, it's hard to go back. Oh man, if MacBooks had a TrackPoint, yes, there it is. Still, you hear that? See that Chinese plastic? Oh man, this is so dope. I'm excited for this one. See, no trackpad. Just the nip and the mouse buttons. This is brand freaking new. Hell yeah, dude. I have two really good mechanical keyboards. I really like. A little on the noisy side. They're thocky and they feel great, but that's why I got this. Oh yeah, this is, I can already tell. I can already tell. Yep, brand new. Oh my god. Look at this shit. Brand new, unused. Oh, I know, I always forget. Gotta, just a quick little, you know, let's see what it comes with. Important info. Hopefully I don't mess this up. drivers. Man, that's how old this is. Came with the freaking CD-ROM driver disc. Put that back in the box. So yeah, all you ThinkPad dorks, as you know, Lenovo doesn't have these on their laptops anymore, which is a shame, big shame. Although, we'll say T480S, second best keyboard ever compared to this. My T420 has this same style keyboard, and yeah, it's very similar. Although it's a little, my T480 is a little, if you press down on it hard enough, it kind of, there's a little wobble just because it's sitting on top of the I don't know, what do you call it, the palm rest and frame. But I think this, I don't think this is, it looks, it might be removable, but it's flat. It's flat, there's no flex, which is awesome. But yeah, T480S, amazing keyboard too. Even though it's checklist style, there's a lot of travel on it. I might do a video on that at some point. All right, here we go, here we go. I mean, it's gonna go on my desk, but I just gotta hear it now on here on this bed. Oh yeah, yes. Oh yes, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. That is it. Ooh, this sticks out a little bit more than my ThinkPad. It's like slightly raised, which is good. Don't mind, I'm not mad at that. Yep, yep. No play. Maybe it's slightly, but no big deal. Yeah. Yep. 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 A little rattly. That's to be expected. I mean, it's a membrane keyboard. Really good membrane keyboard. Oh man. So now my desktop will feel like a ThinkPad. That's all. That's the only reason I got this. And I mean, this is the main reason. But also the ThinkPad feel on my desktop. So yeah, all you ThinkPad dorks out there, me included, this is what is up. Oh yeah, so I've seen them for like over 300. So it was on sale on eBay for 125. I offered the guy or gal 100, and they took it right away. I accepted. I was like, I mean, maybe they were gonna counter offer 115, 120, but they just accepted right away. Look, it still has like some kind of dust. Maybe it's been breaking down. It's been sealed for so long. Anyway, it's still grippy. You're not gonna see that when it's on my desk. And I accepted for 100. 109 with tax, shipped. And it took exactly 1 week to get here from, where was it? From Maryland. All the way from China to Maryland to SoCal. This is the, what's the, oh yeah, that's it. That's the SK-8855, old school Lenovo font, drain holes. There's a little cavernous spot for the excess cabling. You can hide it. That's it. SK-8855 Lenovo. I already love it. Okay, I'm gonna hook this up and give it a spin. Alright, got her set up. Plugged in, USB. This is my desktop, so see, that's my T420. Pretty much identical. Let's see. Shift. Yeah, same exact keyboard, but this one's, you know, a little more worn. So, this laptop's from 2012. Keyboard's amazing. There it is. There's that TrackPoint red nipple. Let's see. I thought this keyboard had a higher. Yeah, it's slightly higher. Yep, confirmed. By like, I don't know, a centimeter. But yeah, more pronounced. Yeah, this one's tighter. This feels nicer. This is amazing for a laptop. But this brand new ThinkPad keyboard is fucking dope. Well, so I did a test, word per minute test. I'm in the mid high 60s on this thing. Pretty good. Got it elevated. It's an angle. And yeah, this is about as clean as my desk has been in weeks. I gotta clean this place. Well, my room, but mainly my desk, is a freaking disaster. Everything works. Volume keys. Goes up, goes down. Let's try the microphone. Let's see. Oh, hell yeah. Muted. Muted mic, muted volume. Yep. I love Linux. Let's see, these work. Camera. I don't have a camera on this desktop, but let's see what it does. Does not work. I can figure that later, but I don't know why. I don't need it. I don't have a camera. That's fine. Lock. That's for the function lock. That's all I use really. Let's see. Volume play. I'm sure the play works. So the play pause next. Everything works. It's hard to do with one hand, but it works. Trust me, bro. Do a thorough clean, hopefully soon. Maybe I can make a video out of that. But yeah, this keyboard is great. I don't even miss my mechanical, especially with this thing. Look at that. Look at it go. Yeah, running Fedora, a Linux nerd. Yeah, it works. Drivers auto downloaded. It might not even needed drivers, but Fedora. I'm gonna try it on Windows later, but Fedora 41, KDE Plasma. But anyway, that's it. That's the ThinkPad. What is it? SK-8855. $100. Hell of a deal. These are rare, especially brand new. That's going to do it for this one. Definitely a shorter one compared to the PS5 Pro. And yeah, guys, gals, thanks for watching. There's more to come. Got a bunch of other junk I want to show off in the near future. Hence the name of this channel, CyberJunk. I don't know, I'm going to go with CyberJunk 2077. What do you think? I like it. It's a play on the game. Definitely have a lot of CyberJunk, good CyberJunk. Alright, yeah, guys. Hit that like. It'll make me feel good. Feel better about myself. Subscribe. Hit that notification. I'm going to try and make at least one of these a week. I'm going to try to do 2 per week. That's going to do it. Love this thing. If you can get one for cheap, jump on it. Don't pay more than $200. 200 is ridiculous. You got to be a real ThinkPad dork to buy one of those for that much. But if hey, you can get lucky at a Goodwill, yard sale, flea market. Maybe someone doesn't know what they have and they want to get rid of it. Pick it up for a few bucks. These things are tanks. Get it used. I'm sure they work fine. All right, catch you on the next one, folks. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.